When you click a brand name on a product detail page, it's supposed to go to your brand store, but sometimes when you click on it, it doesn't work. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. I'm going to be talking real briefly on how to get that fixed. All right, so here's what's supposed to happen. When you go to a listing like this one, this When I Sip, You Sip, We Sip wine glass by Momster, you click on the brand name right here, and it loads the brand store. This is what's supposed to happen. But when you go to a listing where the brand node is not correctly linked from by the Amazon catalog tree, you get a different experience sometimes. So I'm going to click in here and show you, when I click on this brand name, what should happen is it should load the brand store. Instead, it's showing a search result for Impressed Vinyl. So to get this rectified, what you need to do is go over to Seller Central and file a ticket. So you go down to, first you click on the help button in the top right, scroll down, hit Get Support, click on Advertising and Stores. Then you're going to go to Stores, Basic Settings, and you want to look at probably the Store Builder option here. And in this text, you're going to be writing a pretty short ticket. And essentially what you do is, this needs a basic simple ticket to rectify. So let me type that in. So basically you type in your ASIN, your store link, and a screenshot, and as well as where you want it to go. So in this case, you could type in the ASIN, this product, and all of my products are not correctly linking to my brand store. Please fix my brand store node ID and link it to, and then you're going to paste your brand store. So in my instance, my brand store is amazon.com/momster. If you don't know how to grab your store link, put your cursor over Stores, go to Manage Stores, and in here you can see the link right here. Notice how mine has a vanity, or what's called a pretty link URL. If you don't have that, that is something we'll talk about real briefly here too. If it's a long store ID, just grab whatever link's there, go back to your ticket and paste it in. This should be fixed within 24 hours typically, and it's a very, very common bug. It's an annoying one. Brand registry shouldn't be in beta still on Amazon 3 years later, but this is something we deal with all the time. All right, so now back to that brand store URL. If your vanity URL is not set, you could get that set in a separate ticket. I always recommend filing unique tickets for unique problems, so don't pile into the same ticket. Otherwise, you'll get half a ticket solved. So in here, what you would do is type in your old link. Okay, so first give them some context. Hi, please update the URL to my brand store from X to Y, and then just paste old link right here to new link right here, okay? And your new link, what you want for your link, you can set this customly, but I recommend you do amazon.com/your brand name. So in my case, Momster, or if you've got another brand name, your brand name here. So that's how I would file that ticket. You should usually get that within the same day turnaround, very basic thing to do. So these are two very common brand store linking issues, and they are usually fixed within a 24-hour time period once you file that ticket. If you need any Amazon consulting, go over to myamazonguy.com and contact us today. We can help you out with pretty much everything. We're a full-service Amazon marketing agency, from A+ content generation, SEO, advertising management, and catalog troubleshooting like we did in this video. Thanks.